He will win. He will win. How foolish. How foolish. Don't call me again. Don't call me again. When did you come? When did you come? What's that? What's that? It's done. It's done. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Are you coming? Are you coming? Do you understand? Do you understand? It's a pleasure for me. It's a pleasure for me. The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. Not now. Not now. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Give me. Give me. You are very bad. You are very bad. Who are you to teach me? Who are you to teach me? Don't favor me. Don't favor me. He does not walk fast. He does not walk fast. Do you go to France often? Do you go to France often? What time did you go to sleep? What time did you go to sleep? Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. Do you have any children? Do you have any children? Use your brain. Use your brain. Your turn. Your turn. Move aside. Move aside. Why are you so late? Why are you so late? He has guards. He has guards. Try it again. Try it again. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. What to study? What to study? Can you help me? Can you help me? Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Think and speak. Think and speak. She is standing in front of me. She is standing in front of me. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. Show me. Show me. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. It's too late now. It's too late now. Looks like Hawker is coming. Looks like Hawker is coming. She plays piano. She plays piano. Speak slowly and clearly. Speak slowly and clearly. When did you go to sleep? When did you go to sleep? Need anything else? Need anything else? You have a lot of things to do. You have a lot of things to do. He wants to know when you are coming. He wants to know when you are coming. Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. He wants to know when you will come. He wants to know when you will come. Nowadays there is fever in every house. Nowadays there is fever in every house. I left the company in June 2019. I left the company in June 2019. The judgment was postponed. The judgment was postponed. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.